Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I have a question for you today. What is the best bang for your buck to grow your contracting business? Do you know what that is? Like that one thing that you could be doing that will give you the biggest bang for your buck. So there's probably so many things that you could be doing in your business, and even more that you've seen other contractors, things they're out doing. And I know you see them because most contractors have those car decals and things like that. So you can identify a contractor, right? And you see them coming and going all the time, especially if they live in your neighborhood, right? And you're like, they have to be busy. They must be making a lot of money. That might not be the case. So I'm curious. I'm really curious to say, have you taken the time to learn how to actually market your contracting business and even to do business development? And then there's another question. Do you even really know what business development is? Food for thought, right? So here's the thing. All work and no play is not fun at all. And so what happens a lot of times is you're busy working all the time, chasing the next dollar, that you're not having any fun in your business. And who went into business for it not to be fun? I just truly believe that if you're an entrepreneur, you're a small business owner, whatever term you're using or whatever, space you're playing in, it should be fun. Because it takes a lot of time and effort and work to grow your business. And if it's not fun, really, you can go back and get a job and just work, 40 hours a week. And after that, you're like done and you don't have to worry about it, right? So here's the thing. For those of you that don't know who I am Felicia Streeter over at FeliciaStreeter.com. And I help small business owners, construction contractors and those that support the industry, grow your businesses. I help you increase, your capacity, your profits. I help you scale your business and I help you grow. All right. So here's what I'm sharing with you in this video today. I'm going to be providing you with the ultimate tool for business development. All right. So are you ready for this one? This is a buckle up. So you raise your right hand and you say, I'm ready. And then I want you to take that, put it across your waist, buckle up, and get ready for the ride. All right, so here we go. Here's the thing that I'm seeing, and a lot of you are probably doing. You're working from sun up to sundown. I can't really show that because it's getting ready to rain here. But you know what I'm talking about. Sun up to sundown. You're busy going around from house to house trying to find that next contract. That's the first thing, right? And you're probably thinking there has to be a better way. I can tell you a strategy is an ultimate tool to have. Like, there's more to having your business than just doing residential work. There's a lot of headaches involved in doing residential work. I'm not going to get into that all here, but no, there are bigger and better opportunities if you just expand your mindset around it, expand your vision so that you can see more and get out there and see it, okay? So here's the thing. You don't have to go from sun up to sundown. That's the first thing I want you to stop doing. Stop going from sun up to sundown, working all the time on projects. You can't do that. How are you building your business if you're always working that one little project at a time? You feel me? You know what I'm talking about. A lot of you, that's what you're doing. And it's okay, what you don't know, you don't know. And the questions you don't know to ask, you don't know to ask. So I like to say, I give you the answers to the questions that you don't know to ask. That's what we're doing here today. All right. So stop working from sun up to sundown. Here's what you got to do. You got to get out there and start rubbing some elbows. Okay. Not literally rub elbows, but you got to get out there, start connecting with people so that you can find more opportunities. And that's not going to happen if you're out there on that residential project all day from sun up to sundown, okay? So here's what I'm talking about. If you go out and network and use this one strategy I'm getting ready to share with you, I promise you, it's a game changer. It has been fruitful for my clients, even the ones that are just starting out, and it works still for me today too. So it is a game changer. All right. So here's what I want you to do. You're going to go where the masses are. And so that also saves you a lot of time, and you get the biggest bang for your buck if you have to pay to go, as well as your time. So you're able to reach the masses in one place. All right. So I'm talking about your conferences, your trade shows, matchmaker events, industry day events, pre-bid meetings. I have clients all the time say, should I go to the pre-bid meeting if I'm not going to be bidding as a prime? Yeah. And then I give them some strategies and things to do while they're there. But yeah, that's a great place to be. And then also walkthroughs on projects. If you're a part of a project and when they have the walkthrough, if you're invited to attend that, definitely go. Go to those type of things where people are gathering so that you can connect with multiple people at one time. All right. So here's the thing. This is the one activity that you definitely want to do if you want to boost your business growth. Attend those conferences, trade shows, and things like that. And then, while you're there, definitely find the right people that you need to talk to. And so it may be different for everybody in a sense, right? Just depending on who you are, what you do, that kind of thing. But when you're going out networking, here's what I want you to do. If they send you the list of attendees, like the larger companies, prior to, take 5-10 minutes, look at it, and pick 3 companies you want to make sure you connect with while you're there. And you're connecting with them. Why? They have something you want. They're doing the type of work you want to do that you want to bid. Okay? So definitely seek them out. Because here's the thing. Nobody's coming just to find you. Okay? I know you think you're all that in a bag of chips, and you probably are. But you still have to get out and network. Okay? Here's another place you can look. LinkedIn. A lot of people are sleeping on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a game changer. Get on LinkedIn. You can do some great searches and find opportunities. Okay. You also can use Instagram and Facebook. Instagram shows your before and after pictures on projects. Let people know what you do, who you are. Same thing with Facebook. You can also showcase case studies of projects you're working on, and share. It started here. Here's what we did to get it to this end result. Okay. So here's what you're going to do. Right? You're going to do this. You're committing. Right now, we're here. Get out and build relationships with key players. So be selective. Connect with the right people. Identify who they are. And then follow up, follow up, follow up. You hear me? Follow up is key. And make sure you, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, because I am going to be doing a workshop on follow-up coming soon. All right. So here's what I have for you guys today. And I've been getting asked for this and asked for this. So I'm doing it. I'm excited. I'm really excited. It's going to be a little bit different, but I'm excited. I'm actually doing a live in-person event here in Dallas, Texas next month. I think it's May 22nd, May 23rd. And we're going to be doing a deep dive into finding opportunities. So I'm going to teach you how to find the opportunities that's a good fit for you and your business, because we're going to focus on the people that come, your business, individually, my hands on your business, helping you do some stuff that we're going to cover. You'll see the agenda. And we're actually getting it done doing the workshop. You're not going to go home and have to do it all. No, we're making it happen in the workshop. All right. So if you want to find out more about that, about finding the opportunities, learning how to bid contracts, you're going to want to be there. Go over to FeliciaStreeter.com/workshop. I'm only taking 6 people. So the first 6, you're in. All right. Until next time, don't forget, like this channel or this video if you have not. Don't forget to subscribe. Guess what? I'm doing YouTube Lives now. So you want to make sure you're not missing out on those as well. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell so you get the notification when I go live. And if you're digging what I put down here today, like the video. And if you're feeling, froggy, share it. All right, until next time, have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll talk to you real soon. Go out and network. Bye for now.